In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install Fortnite on your Mac. So the first thing we need to do is head over to a browser, and then you will need to search for GeForce Now. Search for this, and then you want to go down and then select on the download link right here. Once you click on download, you will then be redirected over to this page, and then you want to select download for Mac, which will then start the download process in the top right hand corner. Now this can take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. And then once you have downloaded and installed GeForce Now, this is what it will look like once you have opened it up. You will need to sign up for an account, and then once you do this, you will then be able to go to the search bar at the top and then search for Fortnite. So once you search for Fortnite, it is located right here. Select on this tile to bring up this option, and then what we can then do is select Mark as owned. Once we click on Mark as owned, select yes, continue, and then from here, as you'll notice now, you can then click on the play button to play Fortnite. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download and install Fortnite on your Mac.